that time of day again. Stamp collecting. I love it. I love it. I love it. I have another big green album to go through. So from an auction lot, not sure how much it's worth. $10, $20. It's just about going through and exploring. See if we can see something that we've never seen before. All right? All right, guys. I'll strap you in. Let's go on an adventure. All right, we'll have a look. A very green album. These are not real stamps. I've already checked that. It's got nicaragua, including something, sets and revenues. Some Rhodesia. All right, thank you. Chinese album, so fingers crossed nothing has been destroyed by toning and the disease. Oh, there's no toning at all. Look at that. It's all white. It must have been kept in a great environment. All right, a little bit of splash and toning and colour. All right, I'm just going to zoom in so you guys can enjoy this far more. I hate it when videos don't zoom in enough and you can't enjoy the stamps. So we've got about 3 lines. Good. I've just got to remember. There you go, look, a bit of toning. I'll leave that there. These are Southern Rhodesia. As I've said before, my father, he's from England, but he moved to Rhodesia for a while. His parents moved there. I really like that. Sorry guys, I'm going to grab my hodgepodge album and I will put that two-tone, beautiful stamp. You can't tell me that's not beautiful. Look at the plane, 1955. I'm just going to put that in my album. And this is just stamps that I'm drawn to, I put into this album here. All right, it's a nice lighthouse album. It'll be funny when I pass away and they go through all my stamps and go, oh, this is a weird album. There's no rhyme or reason. It'll look like a kid's album. That's nice. It's just not a perfect stamp. Some nice stamps here. That there is a nice stamp too. That's their famous waterfall, I think. Look at that. Oh, it's just a shame about it's lost that perf there. It destroys the whole stamp. Oh, it's just such a shame. If they had that, I'd put it in my album, but I really just want to have prime examples. I'll find another one. That's nice. But I want a bit better. It doesn't jump at me and go, please save me. I want those two-tone lines if we see them again. Ooh, these are nice. I don't know which ones you think I'm talking about. I remember these ones when I was a kid. I will show you the ones. Are we there? Are we there yet? Yep, these here. They're just beautiful. That's the same. Probably not as prime example. Oh, see, that one's got a little bit of toning. Is that a little bit of toning? Yeah, I don't want to enter tone. Oh, I don't know. Looks like a bit of orange in the corner, top left-hand corner. Beautiful stamp, but not prime. No. Just all the perfs are taken. It's Victoria Falls, I think. Yeah, it is. Victoria Falls. My dad had always talked about Victoria Falls. So I'm partially drawn to them. It's quite nice. My dad was in the Rhodesian army. I think you all have to join for a year or two. There you go. Perfect example. Beautiful. Told you if I waited long enough. Sorry guys, I'm going to do this now because every time I have stamps I love, I never get around to putting them in my book. And you're saying, oh, what page is this? No rhyme or reason. I just put it in there. Beautiful. That's really nice, but not I love you nice. Beautiful. Was there any birds before? I don't think so. Oh, alright, we've got blocks. Look at this. Stuck? No. Last video, they're all stuck down. CCP, Russia. Wow, here we go. Oh, I think these are the poster stamps. But, and I've been told off heaps, I will not judge. Everyone to their own. I'm trying to be respectful. Beautiful. Oh, birds. Alright, show me. Let's see if these fit now. Oh, it's getting full this. Yes, it does. Ours fit. That's nice. Let's get those out. Whoops. I might zoom out because these are bigger stamps. There's a nice orchid. Has that got a... No, it's just the orchid. I thought it was a little bird there. Mushrooms. I wonder if they're magic mushrooms. Someone would have paid a few dollars for those. Early flight. I've all told you my story of why I think pilots are the way they are. Yeah, another nice one. Hey, each their own. Oh, what do we got now? Oh, this is what they said in the front. I'll just zoom in a bit so you can enjoy them. They're all cancelled to order, I bet. Yep, look at that, all different values. Yeah, 10, 5, 1, 5. They all look the same when I first saw them. Nicaragua. Perfect. I wonder if there must be someone out there that like all these. Look at these. Very colourful, aren't they? I wonder how they were told back in the day. Hey, print all these as many as you can. These, I reckon, have actually been used. Look at that. They're not cancelled to order. They're postally used. They will be worth more, far more, than the cancelled to order. Because they have been used. And that one's been used. That looks cool. Oh wow, that's West Australian, 4p. I got that stamp. I don't know if I've shown you yet. I might have. Wow, a lot of cancelled to order. Quite nice. Used, like postally used. So that's good. Postally used. It's made worth so much more. Oh, whoops, I missed that one. There is a bird, a dove. That is a bird. Pop it in there. I think this is, I might need to sit here and pull these out. I don't collect these, but there must be a few of you out there that collect these. Quite nice. There's a lot of them. Oh my gosh. Well, I've never seen these flowers before. These are all cancelled to order, unfortunately. But they're all got different values. Isn't that insane? Wow. Look at those flowers. Someone would love those. Some of those have been used, properly used. Most of those have been properly used. Wow. Used, postally used. It's unreal. They're all not stuck down either. Wow. I think it might take me a little while to pull these out. But it might be worth it for the person if they want these. So I think we should do a giveaway. It may turn into 2 giveaways because I always find that trying to fit these things into envelopes, I always think, oh, 1 giveaway, but the envelope gets too big. So if you want some Nicaragua stamps, this is what you collect. Tell me that you're collecting them, starting to collect them. This is what you want to collect. Give me a number, 1 to 100, Cocos-Keeling Islands. Unfortunately, don't come to me and say, can I have page 22, page 23? I'm just going to pull them all out and shove them in an envelope. Makes it easy for me. Luck of the draw. Luck of the draw. Wow, these look great. These are really early. I love these. That one's used too. Wow. They look great. 4, 5, 8. They're beautiful. I don't know what it is about those. I just really like them. So I think we all need to enjoy these stamps. I know I've got a lot of two-tone, but sometimes you just see a couple of stamps. One of them is not perfect, but which one's the smallest again? 4, 4, 5. They just look so cool. 15, that one needs a bit of a soak to get that off, but I won't do that now. They are nice. I really like those. They go on my book. These all look cool. I've seen those before. Oh, what are these? Nicaragua. Yeah, there'd be more than 1 giveaway. Oh, wow. Look at these. These look cool. Again, same type of printing. Wow, that is cool. Again, I know, sorry guys, taking up a bit of your time. I could stop the camera, but you get to look inside my album. Just looks so good. I mean, that one's not perfect. I'm not a big baseball fan, but just the type of printing just looks like a really cool stamp. Oh, put that back up. Some of these old ones look great. These are all really nice. Probably worth more than what I just put in my book. And it's not about, the ones I'm saving is not about, oh wow, they're worth heaps. It's just the printing style, like these. Same printing. See that? Just look amazing. I don't know if it's the paper or what. And again, I'm going to keep them. They just look so different. And like I always say, if you like it, collect it. When I fill that album, we'll go through it in a year or two. You can look at all the stamps I put in there. I remind you all. Wow, Lincoln. It's not a very flattering picture of him. Well, some of these are really nice. These might be worth a bit to someone. Fill a hole or two. That's the last of them. That's quite nice, that one right there. Be nice if it was different, you know, if it was centered a little bit better. Quite nice. Wow. Right, looking at some of those older ones, I might put some of them aside and see if I can sell them on eBay. Why not? I might get rid of a lot of the first lot, but I'll put it aside, and when I start doing more giveaways, I need to get all the other ones finished first, and then what I'll do is I'll give them away. All right, guys, have a great day. Cheers.